Hey, Perry Jeffries here, the Entrepreneurship CFO, coming to you in July. You know what that means, people? It's halftime. Halftime. What adjustments are you gonna make? See, I'm a former athlete, and I apply what I learned in sports to business. It's the middle of the year. It's halftime. Know your numbers. Know your stats. Where are you gonna make your adjustments? What do you need to do to win? Keep following us for the month of July as we go through what you need to understand about your numbers to be able to make those adjustments to hit your goals by the end of the year. Perry Jeffries, ECFO out.